Have you ever looked up and seen a magnificent bird circling high above, a mere speck against the vast blue canvas of the sky? That could very well be an eagle, a true sovereign of the air. These birds are symbols of power and freedom, and for good reason. They are built for a life of dominance, with broad, powerful wings that can span over 2 meters, allowing them to ride the thermal currents effortlessly for hours. They are not simply birds, they are masters of their domain, surveying the world below, with an air of ancient authority, their presence a silent testament to the raw, untamed beauty of the natural world. Eagles make their homes in wild, often remote places, far from the hustle and bustle of our human world. You might find them nesting in the high branches of an ancient towering tree, or on the sheer rocky face of a cliff that seems to touch the clouds. These nests, known as eyries, are not just temporary shelters, they are fortresses. Year after year, the eagle pair will return to the same eyrie, adding more sticks, branches and soft grasses until their home becomes enormous, sometimes weighing as much as a small car. It is from this commanding viewpoint that they raise their young and watch over their vast territory with an unwavering gaze. What makes an eagle so truly special is its incredible design, a masterpiece of evolution. Their feathers are not just for flight, they are intricately structured to be both lightweight and incredibly strong, providing insulation and silent movement through the air. And then there is their vision. An eagle's eyesight is astonishingly sharp, perhaps 4 to 8 times stronger than that of a human with perfect vision. From a kilometer up in the sky, an eagle can spot the subtle twitch of a rabbit's ear in the grass below. This extraordinary ability is not a luxury. It is the essential tool that defines its existence as a supreme hunter. This combination of formidable strength, acute senses, and a commanding presence in its habitat solidifies the eagle's status. They are not merely participants in the ecosystem, they are its monarchs. From the moment a young eaglet hatches, it is destined for a life at the pinnacle of the food chain. Its parents teach it to fly, to soar, and most importantly, to hunt. This education ensures the continuation of a lineage that has ruled the skies for millennia. The eagle is a living embodiment of wildness, a creature perfectly adapted to a life of challenge and triumph in the great open theater of nature. When we call an eagle an apex predator, it means it sits at the very top of the food chain. In its natural environment, a healthy adult eagle has no predators of its own. It is the hunter, not the hunted. This esteemed position is not granted lightly. It is earned through a remarkable set of physical attributes and instincts honed over countless generations. Being an apex predator carries a great responsibility within the ecosystem, as the eagle's presence helps to control the populations of other animals, ensuring that no single group becomes too numerous and that a healthy, natural balance is maintained across the landscape it calls home. The hunt begins not with a chase, but with patience and extraordinary vision. Perched high on a branch, or circling slowly on a thermal updraft, the eagle scans the ground below with an intensity we can barely imagine. Its eyes, with their densely packed photoreceptor cells, perceive the world in incredible detail and vibrant color. It can see the faintest movement, the slightest rustle in the undergrowth that betrays the location of its next meal. This period of observation is crucial. The eagle is calculating distance, wind speed, and the prey's potential escape routes long before it ever commits to its attack, a silent and deadly strategist. Once a target is locked, the eagle's attack is a breathtaking display of speed and precision. It will fold its wings and enter a steep, controlled dive, a stoop that can reach astonishing speeds of over 150 kilometers per hour. It becomes a feathered missile, hurtling towards the earth with unerring accuracy. This is not a frantic, chaotic descent, but a masterful maneuver of aerial dynamics. The eagle adjusts its trajectory with minute movements of its tail and wing feathers, keeping its eyes fixed on the unsuspecting prey below. A silent promise of the inevitable conclusion to this dramatic, natural spectacle. The final moment of the hunt is executed with its most formidable weapons, its talons. As the eagle closes in on its target, it swings its powerful legs forward, opening its feet to reveal long, razor-sharp claws. These talons are not like the claws of a cat. They are designed to pierce and grip with immense force. The pressure they can exert is immense, instantly incapacitating the prey. The eagle does not simply catch its food, it seizes it with a finality that leaves no room for escape, a swift and efficient end delivered by one of nature's most perfect killing instruments. The diet of an eagle is as varied as the landscapes it inhabits, a direct reflection of what is available in its territory. These powerful birds are opportunistic hunters, meaning they will prey on a wide range of animals. Their menu commonly includes fish, which they snatch from the water's surface with incredible skill, as well as medium-sized mammals like rabbits, hares, and squirrels. They are also known to hunt other birds, sometimes even catching them in mid-air, and reptiles such as snakes and lizards. This adaptability is key to their survival, allowing them to thrive in diverse environments, from coastal estuaries to rugged mountain ranges and dense forests. Catching a fish requires a different technique from hunting a land animal. An eagle, such as the famous bald eagle, will soar above a lake or river, its keen eyes penetrating the water's surface glare. When it spots a fish swimming near the top, it performs a shallow dive, extending its talons at the last second. It does not dive into the water but rather plucks the fish from it with surgical precision. The small, rough bumps on the pads of its feet, called spicules, give it a non-slip grip on its slippery, wriggling prize, ensuring the meal is secured and can be carried away to a safe place to be eaten. A fascinating fact about eagles is their incredible loyalty. Many eagle species mate for life. A pair will work together to build their enormous nest, hunt for food, and raise their young. This strong partnership is vital for the successful upbringing of their chicks, which are completely dependent on their parents for several months. Another interesting tidbit is the size difference between males and females. In the world of eagles, the female is typically larger and more powerful than the male. This is known as reverse sexual dimorphism and is common among birds of prey, giving the female an advantage in defending the nest. Once the food is caught, it is often taken back to the nest or to a favorite perch, known as a plucking post. Here, the eagle will use its sharp hooked beak to tear the meal into bite-sized pieces. This beak is not just for eating, it is a multi-purpose tool used for preening feathers and even for feeding tiny morsels to its newly hatched chicks. Nothing goes to waste in the eagle's world. The efficiency with which it dispatches and consumes its prey is a hallmark of an apex predator, a creature finely tuned to make the most of every opportunity that its wild domain provides. The role of the eagle in nature extends far beyond its own survival. It is a vital indicator of the health of its environment. Because eagles are at the top of the food chain, they are highly sensitive to poisons and pollutants in their surroundings. If the water is contaminated, or if pesticides build up in the tissues of the fish and small animals they eat, these toxins become concentrated in the eagles themselves. A decline in eagle populations can therefore be a stark warning sign that something is terribly wrong with the ecosystem, making them invaluable sentinels for the well-being of the entire natural community. By preying on a variety of animals, eagles play a crucial role as nature's regulators. They help to keep the populations of rodents, rabbits, and other small mammals in check, preventing them from becoming too numerous and causing damage to vegetation. They often prey on the weaker, older, or sicker individuals within a population, which is a fundamental service. This process, known as culling, helps to ensure that the strongest and healthiest animals survive and reproduce, thereby strengthening the gene pool of the prey species. In this way, the predator's hunt contributes directly to the vitality of the animals it feeds upon. The importance of these majestic birds has been recognized by cultures all around the world for thousands of years. The eagle has been used as a symbol of strength, courage, and divinity by ancient empires and modern nations alike. Its ability to soar to great heights has made it a metaphor for ambition, perspective, and spiritual connection. This deep cultural reverence highlights our innate understanding of the eagle's special place in the world. Protecting eagles is not just about saving a single species, it is about preserving a powerful symbol of the wildness and freedom that we all hold dear. Ultimately, the eagle is an irreplaceable part of the intricate web of life. Its presence ensures that the wild places of our planet remain in balance, from the highest mountain peaks to the quietest river valleys. The shadow of an eagle passing overhead is a sign that the ecosystem is functioning as it should. By working to protect their habitats and ensure their survival, we are not only helping these magnificent birds of prey, but we are also taking a crucial step towards safeguarding the health and beauty of our planet for all the generations that are yet to come. They are, in every sense, guardians of the wild.